Nothing beats the hot weather like a cold soup. Today we're going to make a cold soup, also known as a gazpacho, using cucumber, apple, and roasted bell peppers. Hey, my name is Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new now and you love appetizers, soups, and delicious healthy entrees, please click and subscribe now. This soup is actually so delicious, you can make this anytime, and it's going to be so quick and easy. It's going to be done in about 5 minutes. First, we're going to prepare and prep the ingredients, which starts by cutting half an onion and remove the skin. If you ever had a cold soup before or gazpacho, typically use raw onion and garlic. We're going to do the same thing, but we're going to minimize the sharpness of the raw onion and garlic flavor by soaking the chopped onion and garlic in some hot water. So just give this a rough chop. It's all going in the blender, so no fancy knife work is required for this recipe. In there. Now just take the garlic clove. I'm gonna remove the root, smash it with the back of a knife, and we're gonna throw it in there. And if you guys want to know any more information about the ingredients or seasoning that I'm using in this recipe, please click the WebMD links in the description box below. Boiling water is ready. I'm going to take that over the cut onions and garlic until it's completely submerged, and let that soak for 1 minute. I'm going to take the cucumber, cut it in half, and remove the skin. Half the cucumber, quarter it. Take 2 slices at a time. Just gonna remove the seeds. My hand is flat. Rough chop. That's going in the blender. I'm gonna add 3/4 of an inch of fresh ginger and just a rough chop. I'm going to go in with the 1 roasted bell pepper with about 2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of the liquid brine. You can find this at most supermarkets and even many delis. It's going right in. We're going to go in with some herbs, some dill, some fresh dill right in there, fresh parsley, and I have an avocado. Go around. If you're careful about your hand, you can always do it on a cutting board like this. And just take a spoon and we're going to scoop it out. Scoop out that half avocado right into the blender. And by now, it's going to drain any of that excess liquid, that water. Now we're practically almost done. Just going to peel half this apple. And we're going to remove the inside core at an angle. Same with the other side. And chop it. And that's going in the blender along with some salt, a little bit of white pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And we're going to go in with some vegetable stock, a little bit more than a cup, so it's about 1.25 cups. And some coconut milk. One optional ingredient that you can add is a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Just before blending, add 1 slice of chopped crustless sourdough bread into the mixture. Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to make this smooth and shiny, and olive oil is going to allow all the flavors to come together. About 1 tablespoon of that. And shut that off. I'm going to pour it over a strainer so it's nice and smooth. An easy way to elevate the final presentation is to reserve a bit of the main ingredients like diced cucumber, avocado, and croutons for a center garnish. This highlights what's inside the soup and adds a clean and elegant touch. Perfect for any family gathering, even a date night or family meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look forward to more recipes, including this broccoli dill soup that's gonna plug at the end. It is delicious, healthy, vibrant, green, and broccoli cooks in only about 4 minutes if you guys wanna know. Also, stay tuned for the next episode and take care.